Hello guys, this is Peggy. Today we're taking you to meet top 5 champion barista and coffee roaster. Are you also one of those people who need at least a cup of coffee a day? I'm not gonna lie, but I've already lost count of how many cups of coffee that I drink each day. We'll be visiting all these award-winning barista by chronological order starting from 2004. Now, without further ado, let's go. Number 5, Gabby Dam. Gabee is how we call coffee in Taiwanese, and the founder, Mr. Lin Dongyuan, has been in the coffee industry for over 20 years. He founded Gabby Dam in 2004 and emphasized on the latte art. Gabby Dam not only focus on coffee, but also work with a lot of Taiwanese local food brands and drinks. The founder, Mr. Lin Dongyuan, was the first champion of the Taiwan Barista Award. Now, without further ado, let's go meet the store manager. Hi, Toby. Thank you for having us. Now, Gabee has founded for 18 years. And what is the concept that Gabee is trying to deliver to people?
我们坚持的其实就是提供一杯风味很好的咖啡，从栽种、处理，然后烘焙到冲煮，其实都是需要经过非常多的努力，才能让大家喝到咖啡本身蕴含的丰富风味。
So where did you come up with the idea to combine coffee with the local food?
像台湾一直都被誉为水果王国，我们的农产品都非常的有名，品质也很好。那像台湾就长得很像地瓜嘛，所以我们就想说用地瓜来跟咖啡做结合，对，所以创出这一款叫非你莫属的创意咖啡。可以看到上面是焦糖地瓜，那等一下的话可以先试吃一口焦糖地瓜，感受它本来的风味，然后再直接就口喝中间这一层的浓缩咖啡。
It is really interesting. Not that it's bad, it's just something that I've never tried before, and I think it's a really cool idea to combine sweet potato with coffee. After talking to the store manager and try out the sweet potato latte, it gives me a whole new idea of how the coffee can be like. Not only do they combine two cultures together, they also turn coffee into an art. Here in Gabby Dam, they have more drinks that combine coffee and Taiwanese local food that you should definitely come and give it a try.